Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I will be showcasing you how to fix your iPhone camera crashing on your iPhone 17 Pro Max or any other iPhone 17 lineup. This seems to be a common issue that a lot of people are experiencing. You can follow these steps to fix it. So let's get started. The very first thing which I would recommend doing is closing out the camera app if you have it running like that. By swiping up again, all you are going to do is closing the app and open it again, and it will be going to quickly and easily fix the issue. Next thing you want to do is, because the iPhone 17 Pro Max and the 17 has actual camera button on the right side, this can sometimes get obstructed if you have like a case or something blocking it, or if you accidentally touch and click on it. It's very sensitive. So, well, there is some issues going on right now. As you can see, if I click on it and it locks, sometimes there is a weirdness going on. Sometimes some cases make you accidentally press it, hold it. So try to make sure that the case that you are using does not interfere with this camera control. I would recommend taking that off. Also, if you have any dust or lint build up, clean it with a microfiber cloth as well. Anything that could get in the way of that camera button. Now, the next thing you wanted to go ahead and follow this step, which is you are going to quickly press and release the volume up, quickly press and release the volume down, and then hold on to the side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So make sure don't touch the screen while you're doing this process. Quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, and then hold on to this side button just like that until the screen goes completely black, and we are going to wait for the Apple logo to appear, ensuring that you don't touch the screen. So as you can see, I'm holding on to that side button onto the right side, and then I let go once I see the Apple logo. This is known as force restart. Basically, it shuts down the phone software, reloads the code. So if it's a software related issue causing your camera to crash, it should go ahead and fix it. This method will not delete any of your personal data, so all your photos, videos, apps will still be on your phone. Now, after you have done that, you are still experiencing issue, you are going to go ahead into your settings on your iPhone and then go to general and then scroll down at the bottom which say transfer reset iPhone. Click on reset and you are going to reset all the settings. Now this is resetting all the settings themselves, especially if you got a new iPhone. It will not delete any of your data like your photos, videos, apps, or anything like that will be there. It only reset the networks, keyboard, home screen layout, handwriting, and location privacy settings. After doing that, if you are still experiencing that camera still crashing on, you now finally have the last troubleshooting step, which you can do is to update your device. Apple time to time update its software and give you some bug fixes. So maybe this is a bug which Apple has already known, and the update will help you out in order to fix that issue. So what you need to do is to open up your settings, then scroll down to a general, then software update. Now check here if there is going to be any update available for your iPhone, and just like that, if you see any update here, just update your device to the latest software, because maybe it's a bug and Apple has already known and it will fix your issue. So guys, I hope these troubleshooting will help you guys to fix your camera crashing issues. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Please consider subscribing my channel because some amazing content is planned for this year and the next year. Thanks for watching. Peace.